Hey guys, it's your girl Rebecca, Becky all day. Welcome to my channel. Today we have this bomb ass wig from Outre. That's it. That's it. At this point, Outre, y'all need to call me because I feel like every wig I'm reviewing is Outre. Where my sponsorship? Y'all gotta sponsor me. Shit. It's like, nah. I am like extremely excited for this wig because, well, I love me a nice bob. We have a wig called Isabella from Outre. It is under the Melted Hairline Collection. And baby, don't that look so cute? She looks so beautiful on that. Honestly, I love this. And I hope you guys love it too. So if you like to see how I got to this point, keep watching. So this is how the wig looks fresh out of the pack. And this is it on, you know, and this is how it looks around the edges, you know, quite natural. And this is after I've cut off the lace, you know, put in my foundation using my blending brush. And now I'm cleaning the area where I plan to apply it with glue. And, you know, of course, because if you don't use alcohol, the Got2b won't attach. And we're using the Got2b in the black bottle. And we're just putting it there using the end of my edge brush. This is the first layer. Using my fan to blow it till it gets tacky. And then I'll be putting another layer, actually, so, you know, of course, to increase the amount of security, and we're blowing it again. And now I'm going to, you know, of course, put the lace on top and use the end of my edge brush to keep it in place. And as well as, you know, of course, blow it to, you know, do what it do. And now we're going to do the other side. Now I will do the middle of my head, of course using the alcohol first to clean the area. So now I'm using the same Got2b there to, of course, secure the lace in the middle, and as well as using the spray to further secure the lace. So here I am parting out my edges that I plan to use for my, well, edges. And I do this because I plan on using a headband to further secure the lace. And it's just easier to do this way because it also helps with your edges looking more natural and things like that. So I do this first before I actually use my small headband to further secure the lace. And now I've taken it off. And this is how it looks. So I'm going to use some alcohol to clean that residue from the Got2b, like always, because it tends to be shiny, as we all know. I was just checking to see if it actually secured it, which it did. So here's how it looks as of now. Pretty good. So now I'm using my powder foundation in the front of the wig and as well as the part to, of course, blend it in with my skin. And here's how it looks, pretty good. So now I'm using the same Got2b I used to apply in my edge brush to lay my edges. Know how I am. I'm gonna be fixing these edges way too long, and if only I knew how much I had to cut out, girl. But yes, I do love to perfect my edges because they're never perfect for me. So now I'm going to use that same headband to, of course, further lay my edges and, well, take it off. And then use some alcohol to, of course, remove it from being so stuck to my forehead, and also a comb to also remove it from being so stuck to my forehead and make it look more natural. And Here's how it looks at this point. Really good. So now I'm going to use some makeup wipes to actually further remove that shininess that got2b tends to leave. And we're done. And I love it. Look at it. So natural. So keep watching for my ending thoughts. So, alright guys, we are done and we like this wig. Girl, we like her, we like her, we like her. She is given. Okay? I'm trying to refrain from plucking it because I wanted to give you guys a wig where you don't really have to do too much. And honestly, it's doable. It's very much doable. But if I was, you know, for those of you that know how to manipulate a wig and, you know, you feel me, do your thing with the wig, I would say pluck it. This is a thick wig, okay? This one is a thick one. Honestly, it is quite thick, and I love it because it's a bob. Who doesn't like a full bob? That's, you know, preferred. If you like your bobs thin, I'm gonna need you to exit out this video right now. Be gone, because we can't be friends.
Ain't no way. Ain't no fucking way.
You feel me? So that's a con about this wig, that it's extremely thick, you know, and I love that. I love that it's thick. Another thing that I like about it is the texture. Like, it is definitely giving me like a yaki texture. I don't know if you can see the texture on. So, of course, that gives it more of a natural feel, a natural look. Me being a black girl, that is ideally how my hair looks when I blow dry it or pattern it. So it looks natural in that sense as well. So you are not a baby hair kind of girl, I believe that it's still workable because look at it. That looks pretty blendable to me, quite blendable to me. The lace is very much blendable. It depends on your preference on the wig. If you want to do baby hairs, if you don't want to do baby hairs, if you want to pluck the wig, if you don't want to pluck the wig. So to each his own. All of it is possible with this wig, and this is definitely an everyday wig because of the length and the fact that it's straight. I believe that this can last you a very long time, you know what I mean, if you do the necessary to make sure the wig lasts, which is, you know, make sure you take it off when you get home, you know, put a little wig spray in it when you get a little stiff, you feel me, like if you have to use, I mean, honestly, this wig is not shiny at all, so I'm not even gonna bring up baby powder or dry shampoo because this wig is not shiny. Like I said, it does have a yaki texture, and you know, wigs that are mostly yaki, they don't have any shine, which makes them more natural. I was thinking about doing like an up style. I think that would be really cute. That would be so cute. That would be real cute with a nice little piece on this side. I'm not doing this for real, y'all. I'm just like trying to see how it would look if I was to do it. I'm not doing it now though. But that would be really cute. Very natural looking. I'm digging it. I like it. I do like the style. Like I said, the style, the cut, the lace. I love the lace. Lace is very blendable, very soft. It's soft lace, so I would say it's also HD because it did blend into my skin very well. Like, I know you guys do not see, like, it, you know what, you know, I like to do my test because the front camera shows everything. So, okay, that's great. It looks amazing. Like, the tangling and shedding, I don't really see it tangling or shedding. It's not shedding. It's not shedding. I don't see it shedding. Okay, so we got like a little strand right there, but I mean, I did like pull it, so it's a little bit not shedding for real. So strand, and I just ran my hand, okay, and I did it again and I didn't get anything. So I don't think it sheds. Tangling with this kind of wig is going to be minimal because, like I said, it's short and it's straight. So, and it's of yaki texture. Everyone that knows with synthetic hair, if it's of yaki texture, it lasts longer than those that are shiny. This wig is very much big head friendly, but honestly, that's how it is with all the melted hairline wigs. That's you know, kind of the reason why I kind of gravitate towards them, and I don't really go towards the perfect hairline because the perfect hairlines are kind of like usually too small for me. But I always make it work, but I don't really like having to make it work. So
it is what it is. That's just what I prefer. So it is very much big head friendly, girls. So if you have a big head, you got a lot of hair, you can fit under here, because my head is big and almost it fits in there. It fits in this wig. In fact, I even have space. Like, it was, you know, it wasn't stuck on my head. It was not snug. So that's a good thing. It was actually bigger than my head, so I was able to cut off. I don't know if you see that, the part where I cut off some of the tab, because it was kind of a little bit too big for my head. And I like that, because I feel like when the wig is bigger than your head, you have more, you know, you have more flexibility to move it how you want it. So like, I think it was like $34.94. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna put it on the screen, but if I'm right, then I'm right. I ain't putting it on the screen, okay? Either way, it's less than 40. It's another banger. I mean, baby, who doesn't like a blunt nice bob? I like this wig, y'all. Like, for a nice bob that you don't have to style, you know, you don't have to cut, you don't have to do anything yourself, you know, just put on your head and apply it. You know what I'm saying? So it's a win-win to me. Because for the price, hell yeah, I love it. Like, it's giving everything that it can give for less than $40. I mean, if you want more than what it's giving for less than $40, girl, you just inconsiderate. Like, come on, girl. It give you nice lace, nice parting space amount, nice flow of hair, you know, natural texture. This wig is the one for you, baby. This is the one for you, because it's given. It's giving everything that needs to get right now. Like, it gives me grown and sexy. And that's why I love bobs, because it gives grown and sexy all the time. It doesn't fail. Never fails to give grown and sexy. What's good? Like, what we about to do? What we about to do about this wig? Y'all about to buy it or what? Because, girl, it's the one. You know what I'm saying? So, hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. So, if you guys like this video, make sure to like it down below. And if you want to subscribe to your girl, go ahead and do that. It's very much appreciated. Like, go buy the wig. Go buy it. Stop talking to me. Go buy it. It's a really nice wig. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next one.